Today, I will show you how to buy shares of Rubrik Inc., a cloud data management and security company. Rubrik trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker RBRK, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RBRK to find Rubrik Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the Rubrik stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the right asset. Take a moment to review the description and ensure the ticker is RBRK on NASDAQ. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you do not have enough funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before the order is submitted. After the trade executes, your Rubrik position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the registration link is in the description if you want to explore eToro as an example.